Hi and welcome back to my channel. So before we get started, I kind of just want to have a little discussion. I'm trying to figure out the best grading for me. I usually just say, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. But I kind of want to address the viewers watching and give like a cute little name or nickname just for the viewers. So for this video, I'm going to try out Queens to see how I like that. But if you have any suggestions, definitely leave them in the comments down below. So let's kick off this video. Hey Queens, and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be doing a hair review slash hair tutorial on these Goddess faux locks. So basically, this is my version of the Goddess faux locks. I don't really do them how they're typically supposed to be done. So I have a tutorial for you guys to show you how I install them. Definitely stay tuned if you want to see that. But I'm gonna first go over, the items that you need, how long it took me to install, and the products that I used. So stay tuned. I have the brand of locks that I use here. We have Urban Beauty. We have the type, which is the Goddess Faux Locks 18-inch in the color 1B. So these are the locks that I used. I believe I ordered these from Amazon. They came 4 in a pack. I'll definitely link that in the description below if you're interested in these locks. They kind of have a thinner end to them, so these are not the thicker locks. I love them because of just like the style, the simplicity, the thinness of them. I don't like super thick locks, so I always opt for these. Now for the actual curly hair that I have, now I definitely get this from my local beauty supply. So the brand is Zury. It's the Bohemian braid in the color Sombre 227. Now it just basically means it's like an ombre look. It's folded up, but it's like an ombre look. Goes from like this brownish color to this blonde color that you see here. So that's basically what this looks like. In the tutorial, I'll show you how I install completely the extension, and then I'll show you how I crochet my actual locks in. Some other tools that are definitely great for this style when you're going to install it is the crochet needle. If you haven't seen it before, this is basically just what it looks like. You release the latch here and you just pull the hair through. But again, like I said, I have a video to show you guys what that looks like. And then you need a rat tail comb. So some places offer these in a bundle. I bought these two separately at my local beauty supply, which I wish I didn't. I believe like Sally's have these packaged together for like $3.99, I think. So right now I'm using the Eco Styler gel mixed with olive oil, shea butter, black castor oil, and flaxseed. I usually do the olive oil, but this time around I wanted to try something different. So I didn't use a lot of that in my hair actually. I used mostly this, which is the Kinky Curly Not Today gel, curling gel I believe. I'll link this down below because usually the sticker comes off when I'm opening it because of how high they put that sticker up. So I ended up taking the sticker off of this, but I'll definitely link these products down below if you're interested in using it. I use this to slick the roots. That way when I finished, it looked a lot more slick and sleek. So like I said, I'll link everything down below in the description box so you can see, where you can find these products. Like I said, if you're interested in seeing how I install my locks, then definitely stay tuned. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this content, then definitely like this video. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell so you can be notified of when I post my next video, and definitely leave a comment down below. I like to know what you guys are thinking, any suggestions that you may have. So definitely interact with me in the comments. Follow me on social media. That'll also be listed in the description box below, and my family channel. So I have a family channel with my husband and my son. Mostly it's just my husband because my baby boy is only 6 months. So if you're interested in seeing our content on our family channel, that'll also be listed in the description box as well. Thank you so much for tuning in, and until next time.